In our routine, different types of fibers we use to make fabric that can be classified into natural and artificial fibers. Natural can be divided into plant and animal fiber. In this chapter, we are going to study about animal fibers. First animal fiber is wool. Wool normally we get from the hair of sheep, goat, yak, rabbit and camels. That's why these are called wool yielding animals. They are having hair on their body just to protect them from extreme cold. And we also wear woolen clothes during winter season to protect our body from cold. What is the reason or in what way wool fiber it used to protect our body? Actually, wool is highly porous. So many air pockets are present inside, and this air or air pockets that work like an insulator and does not allow our body's heat to come out. मीन्स जब हम वूलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं हमारी बॉडी की हीट बाहर नहीं आ सकती है. वाई? बिकॉज एयर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द वूलन फाइबर that work like an insulator. So our body will be warm during colder conditions. Wool yielding animals are these one. Quality of wool, it depends on the basis of thickness of fiber, length, shine, strength and color of the fiber. Pashmina is one of the best fiber. It is fine, fluffy, light and warm wool that we get from Kashmiri goat. This goat is found in general in Kashmir and near Himalayan areas. Now, in what way fibers that we get from these animals that had converted to wool? This whole process can be divided into 7 steps. First step is rearing and breeding of sheep. Rearing means to take care of sheep. To get the good quality of wool, it's necessary to give good diet to the sheep. Actually, wool is made up of protein. So what type of food is given to the sheep? On that it depends the quality of the woolen fibers. Sheep that are herbivorous, so they prefer leaves and grass. But such kind of animals are given protein rich food like a mixture of corn, pulses, jowar and oil cake. So the wool will be curly and shiny, means that will be of good quality. Again, to get good quality of wool, selective breeding is done. Selective breeding means select male and female sheep of desired quality, later on breed them. So whatever offspring will be there, that will include these two characteristics, means from male also and from female also. Second step is called shearing. Shearing means shaving of a sheep's body to obtain fleece along with a thin layer of skin. मीन्स फ्लीस या फर या वूल को गेन करने के लिए स्किन को शेव करना. स्किन के साथ एक्चुअली द लेयर ऑफ स्किन विल बी डेड. दैट्स वाई shearing does not harm or cause pain to the animal. After shearing, sheep is dipped into an antiseptic lotion. So if there is any of the cut, there will be no infection. Generally, shearing is done in spring or in early summer. So till the winter, hair will grow again and these animals remain protected from the winter. Next step is washing or scouring. Actually, whatever wool we obtain from this process, this contain some dirt particles, grease will be there. That's why it's necessary to wash these fibers. This is done in a number of tanks to remove all that like grease, dirt and dust. This process is called scouring. At small level it can be done manually, but generally at large level it is done with the help of machines. Next step is sorting, means according to the quality, texture, these are separated in different groups. These are called birds and later on sent for the processing. Next step is called carding. In carding, curly woolen fibers are straightened with the help of rollers. People who used to work in this industries, they are having a risk, a disease named anthrax. In anthrax disease, it's a type of blood disease. So such kind of diseases where persons they used to get diseases in their occupation, these are called occupational hazard. Next process is dyeing, means woolen fibers that are dyed in different colors, then spinning and weaving. So fibers later on spin together to make yarn, and then yarns they weave together to make fabric. Generally longer fiber that are used to make sweaters and shorter fibers that are used to make woolen clothes.